Hi everyone, this is Anna from Koala Soap, and I just want to do a nice shout out to my friend Dean Wilson, who knows I'm a nurse in the States and has reached out to me because he was worried about me and my family. And I just want to let everyone know that we're safe, we're social distancing, we're doing everything we're supposed to do. So I want to let you guys know that Dean is actually, I consider him a good friend and someone I can ask questions if I need some answers, and I think he would do that for most people. So if you haven't checked out his channel yet, feel free. It's called Melt and Pour, but it's Dean Wilson Soap is how I look him up on YouTube. And he does melt and pour, cold process, he does jewelry, he does bath bombs, and a whole bunch of other things. So if you haven't checked him out yet, check out Dean Wilson. Hi everyone, this is Anna from Koala Soap, and today I'm going to be making a design that I like mushing everything together. Just for me it makes me feel good. And so we're going to be using our small square mold that we use for testers, and we're going to use, we have 4 funnel cups. Each has 4 ounces. So 4 ounces of shea butter, 4 ounces of shea butter, 4 ounces of clear, 4 ounces of clear. Our colors today are going to be Lightning, green Lightning from StarDust Micas, and blue Arial blue from StarDust Micas. So we'll go ahead and get this all melted, and we will be right back. Okay, so we have these melted down nicely. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our Micas ready. Now this is where I kind of messed up last time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to have 1 blue clear and 1 blue opaque, 1 green clear, 1 green opaque. So that's how we're going to do this. Now I should go ahead and pour in a little bit of alcohol. Our fragrance today is going to be Spring Fling from Brambleberry. So here's some blue. And actually what I think I'm going to end up doing here is I'm going to mix it now, because last time I kind of messed up and I don't want to do that again. I made like 2 of the same color in the opaque, and it wasn't how I wanted the design to go. So we will stir that. Okay, so we're going to let that start going, and then we will do the blue again. And then we will do this one for the glycerin. And then we're going to do the same for the green. Okay, so now we have this done. I'm actually not going to throw out what's still stuck on the cups. I want to put it in this pink mold. You should always have one of these so that you can always have. Okay, so then what we're going to do is this is 11 ounces of shea butter that we're going to melt down, and then we'll put all this together. Okay, we are back. So this is all done here. This is melted down. I actually added 13 ounces just because you know how this goes. I never have enough, and it's a little fiasco at the end of the day. So I did, and I have my little pink mold here as extra. So right now it's at 170, so we're going to go ahead and make this into a masterpiece, throw it in here, and we want this to be warm. I'm not going to put any fragrance in there because it might just burn off anyway since it's at a high temp, and we'll see what we can do. I wanted to show this design that was sent to me by a fan. Her name is Samantha Rapper, and she did these butterflies. It looks like she did an opaque melt and pour and with a clear glycerin. And the color, I love this blue. I'm a big fan of blues. And she was able, it looks like she poured along both sides at the same time to try to get them to meet in the middle, and it looks really sweet. I like this flower too. I think I have this mold. But these are great, great soaps. And thank you, Samantha, for submitting them. Okay, and we're back. So basically, here's the soap. And Kaylin, before she was off today, said, oh my gosh, Mom, it looks like the earth. So we will call it that. She's right. She actually chose these colors. So she gets to name it. That's fine with me. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Okay everyone, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to visit our website at KoalaSoap.com. I'm putting all these recipes on here, including the exact amounts that I'm using. So please visit that website and subscribe to the newsletter, and you guys have a great week.